is. It's about 4:30 in the morning. I'm just leaving the cities. I got up and I even woke up before the alarm went off. So right now I'm totally wide awake and no problem at all. So I'm looking forward to a long day of driving. Make good time, I hope. This is the beginning of the big North Carolina 2005 trip. Now officially started for me. I'm going to be going across the Mississippi River into Wisconsin right now. Of course, gonna have a dumb truck right in my way. I mean, anyways, there's Mississippi there, heading into Wisconsin. Coming on about 5 o'clock right now and finally getting into Wisconsin.
Congratulations! You survived.
I'm listening to Dwayne's XM radio, so I got satellite radio.
Flashdance began in November of 1982 in Pittsburgh.
Pretty cool. It's already getting light out.
Give Me a Break debuted on October 29th, 1981. NBC was banking on a hit. The unforgettable 80s.
Well, here I am again. I've been driving about 3 hours. I'm going through Wisconsin right now. About 7:25 right now. And in a little bit I'll be switching tanks to the front tank, so I should be able to go quite a ways yet. Probably another 3.5 hours at least. But anyways, this is Wisconsin here. When I get going through Chicago, I'll see if I can get a shot of the Chicago skyline for a little bit. Okay, it's about 10 to 1. I just ate. I filled up with gas in Merrillville, Indiana. I'm on 65 South. When I went through Chicago, I didn't have a chance to get any, because of the traffic, I couldn't get any downtown shots, and I took a wrong route anyways. Didn't go straight through downtown. I went down through 294 instead. But anyways, I'm going to be heading out on the 65 South now. I just ate at McDonald's, so that's where I'm heading out right now. Well, I'm in Kentucky now. I'm on Interstate 75 going south towards Knoxville. Well, that's where I'm at right now. It's been going really good since I filled up on gas at Merrillville at that last stop. I've been driving the whole time with no stops, so I'm making really good time right now. I'm hoping to get to a motel at about 11 o'clock at Newport. If I can't, I'll just find one sooner than that, but this is where I'm at right now. And it's about 20 after 8 right now, Eastern time. Well, here I'm at the motel room. It's Days Inn. I decided to stop right at the Tennessee border. I'm at exit 161, I think, at the Days Inn. So I needed to fill up on gas. So I could have gone further, but I decided just to stop here, and since I was stopping anyways, I'm able to just find a place to stay. There's me in the mirror, so now you can see me. I forgot that I left the tripod in the pickup. Didn't want to bring it in, so. Anyways, that's my room. Spending the night here, and I'll go the rest of the way to Goldsboro tomorrow. Okay, this is the Days Inn that I stayed at last night. It's in Jellico. It's right on the Tennessee border on Interstate 75. I crossed into Tennessee, and this is the very first exit, a town called Jellico. I stayed at the Days Inn here. I just ate and washed up and everything. I'm going to go fill up on gas and be on my way to Goldsboro. I think I should be able to go the rest of the day without stopping now. But I'm not quite sure, just depending on how the going is. So, it looks like a very beautiful day. Boy, it's going to be a nice drive. Really pretty going through near the Smoky Mountains, so going to be fun. Oh yeah, I also forgot to say, I just called my parents and they just left Linda and Dave's from West Virginia about 45 minutes ago, so they're going to be beating me down there. They only have like a 4-hour drive, I think, something like that. So I'll be seeing them down there and away I go. Well, okay, here I am. I made it. It was, I got here maybe, I think 20 minutes ago, maybe half hour now. I've already been in the house, but I came out to get my camera, and my parents' van is here, and they're here, so Tobolts and Andrew and Carmen haven't gotten here yet. So they should be here pretty soon, I think. So it's really nice too. Really nice out. Beautiful. That's Nana and Danny's house.